All right, it is time. Let's do the studio, at least the base studio walkthrough. Here we are, little closet. Lots of equipment in here, but we'll leave that for another day. The Beatles, of course. This lovely little stand, some artwork from my grandfather. This cute hanging light. I should turn the lights on. I will turn the lights on. My lovely standing desk. Standing or sitting. More gorgeous artwork from my grandfather. This other cute little light. My music stand here. Let's see what happens when the light goes on. Ooh, fancy, right? It's a nice look outside. We also have the ability to tamp down on light and on sound with a great little blind or shade here. Look at my neighborhood. Isn't my neighborhood absolutely adorable? And this great light up here. So here we are. I think I'm gonna put a large, cute plant right here. At least that's the goal. And here we are. It's a great little setup.